Yeah, that's right. It's cold. Oh. It's negative 20 today, guys. With the wind chill, they're saying negative 32. Oh. So we got some new cars here. We got some TDI Jettas. Got a newer Camry. Civic with a blown up motor. Some fun things like this. We just finished up all the Blizzard Bash videos, guys. I drove I think it was 21 hours it took me to get to Kansas in November and film it. I do have to wait 30 days to upload any of the videos, so that's why I waited the time. But we got through all the videos, and thank you guys for getting through the videos. I was trying to upload them as quickly as I could once the time was up, one a day, keep you guys coming back. But we made it through, and now we're here to talk about the 2023 season. This car here, been a damn good car. This was the last car that was ran at the Thrill Show Championships. It's been kind of thrown together now, ran a couple times. I have a spot that I'm going to run this thing in the USA this coming spring, hopefully. If I can get time off work and get going for that. We're going to be taking a trip down to, I believe it's PA. The Illuminati. I'm probably going to be pulling the motor out of this and putting it into something else. I think that this car here would be better off with a 2.2 in it. And our new rules say that we can do motor swaps in stock class. We just have to use factory mounts. So there might be something spicy coming up with this motor into a different car. We got ourselves a Toyota Sienna minivan. Not sure what we're going to do with it yet, but we got it. A little rusty. But we're going to be starting up the Suzuki to do a little bit of a plowing job here because it's snowing like crazy. But while we're in here, let's take a look at this Solera. So this Solera here is for a show in Southern Ontario this year. Still needs a lot of work. I haven't even got the motor running in it yet. I think it will run. This is the motor that we shaved the head down and turned into carbureted and ran on, tried to run on methyl alcohol. Well, basically just meth. But we got it back, switched back to gasoline. I haven't tried to start it yet. We got it stripped. We just got to do a cage. I think they just came out with the rules this week for the show, so we're going to see what we were able to do for it. They did lower the prize money quite a bit, but if my buddies are going, we'll be going to this show. Don't like going to shows by myself. It'll turn out like Fall Brawl, where I got nobody to really rely on as a team. And at these big shows, you guys kind of need at least one guy to rely on in that ring. You get stuck, come and give you a little bump out of there. So that's the plan for this car. Let's get this Suzuki running. Come on, you old girl. It's only negative freaking 20. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Alright, so she's running. We're going to let her warm up for a bit, and then we're going to go do a little bit more looking around. What a mess we got in here. But we got the motor out of this, we got a new transmission put onto it, and we got the motor back into it, and we got it running. Those videos are all to come. So that's something else that you guys can look forward to. Here is my 5.3 LS Tacoma with a 4L60, unfortunately. But it's got a transmission in it now. Harley is freezing from the negative temperatures. Look at it all sticking to her. We got that motor sitting over there. Are you okay? I know it's cold. Where's your ball? Where's the ball? And over here, we have a car that we're going to be taking down to the US in June. So this year here, we're planning a lot more of US trips and stuff like that. So make sure you guys stay tuned for all the build videos of everything I've been doing since Blizzard Bash. And, yeah. being as cold as it is outside today, I want to take this time to drop some merch. If you guys are looking to get some official Zacks Workshop t-shirts, message me on Facebook. I can sell you some. They sell for $20 Canadian, $15 American plus shipping. And we have all sizes in stock from small to 3XL. It's freaking cold. But 2022 was kind of a very, very hard year for me. I'm still not ready to talk about it yet. 2023, I think, is going to be a much better year. I've lost about 60 pounds, and I'm feeling pretty good about myself. I want to start traveling more, guys. I have a vacation coming up in a couple of weeks. Going to go somewhere that I've wanted to go pretty much my entire life. Was there before, didn't really get to enjoy it, so I'm going to go there. I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to have a great time, hopefully. So I'll be trying to shoot some footage while I'm there. Might not post it, I don't know. And I'm kind of booking some camping trips this year. I'm going to try to do some stuff other than Demolition Derby. Obviously not on Derby weekends because this is still my hobby. But 2023 is going to be a year for me. I'm a month in. I'm doing really good. I'm working hard on myself, and I'm actually really enjoying this. So people that know, people that don't know, you'll find out one day. And I just want to say thank you for everybody that's been watching my channel. And I started this channel just to store videos of me off-roading with my buddies. And now it's grown to something where I got 12,000 subs. I know it's not a lot in the YouTube channel world, but I like it. It's a getaway for me, guys. Like, coming to this channel is... when I was a kid, I wanted to do two things. Drive race cars and be a camera guy for a news channel. Not like in the news broadcasters. I want to be the guy holding the camera. So now I kind of get to do both. Sort of. Not really race cars and not really news, but if you guys want to do something, do it. It might not be your full-time career, and I really suggest the stuff that you're really interested in, don't do as a full-time career, because I was told this by a guy once. If you turn your hobbies into a career, they're no longer your hobbies, they're a job, and you hate your job. So, I don't mind my job, and I love my hobbies. So thanks, guys, for watching with me, and hopefully I didn't lose too many people uploading all the Blizzard Bash stuff. I have to wait to upload it. I know it's not prevalent, and I like to upload one video a day just to keep it so that you guys have something to do every day. I don't want to disappear for 3 months, and in the winter, there's not a whole lot for me to do. So, thanks everybody for watching. There's lots of build stuff coming up. I'm going to be uploading Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for the next couple of weeks just to make it so that you guys have content. I really appreciate you guys watching. And thanks for coming back, and hopefully you guys enjoy some of the build stuff. We're going to be having Steven come over. We drink a little bit too much one day working on cars, but it turns out pretty funny. None of us got hurt. Alright, we did get hurt, but that's not the point. But I just want to say thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy the upcoming content. Take care. And if you guys haven't done it, subscribe. I think only like 28% of you guys are subscribed. And yeah, if you guys want to know anything, maybe I might be doing a Q&A video coming up. I can answer any Toyota Camry questions or anything like that. So leave comments down below on what you guys want questions answered. And if you need to get a hold of me, Zacks Workshop on Facebook. That's where I sell the shirts. And I got them all in stock. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you back here later on Zacks Workshop.